Time now for a check of your North Central Washington weather forecast. Hope you had a fantastic Wednesday. Still on the cool side. We've been below normal for at least a week now, maybe even closer to 2 weeks. And as we look outside our weather window today, some snowfall. We talked about that last night, that it could continue through Wednesday. This is a Freda, so some light snow falling in parts of Columbia Basin and Grant County. Also some snow in western Chelan County that we'll talk about here in a little bit. But the big news is our temperatures, and we will remain below normal right through this period. As we get into tomorrow, all of these temperatures all below normal as we get into the upcoming weekend and into next week, with our low temperatures through that period staying in the mid to upper teens. So this colder than normal February continues as we get closer to the middle of the month. Today's high temperature, 12 degrees below where we should be, unofficially at 26. 38 is our normal high for this time of year. And for the third day in a row, beautiful stretch of weather in 2018. Today's record, 57 degrees. We were 18 this morning. That's well below where we should be as well. 26 is our normal low, 1 below our record low, and that was set in 1985. Sunrise this morning, 7:21, and it's set at 5:10. All right, getting you into those Thursday temperatures, not much change, unfortunately. We're going to stay in the low 30s for the Columbia Basin, Moses Lake, Ephrata, Quincy, right around that freezing mark, and then upper 20s from Ellensburg into Wenatchee, mid to upper 20s for Eniat, Chelan, and into Omak, and pretty much the mid 20s in our higher elevations, Lake Wenatchee, Leavenworth, and for Cashmere tomorrow. So this cool weather continues. Tonight we can expect mostly cloudy skies. There is an area of low pressures to our south that's still bringing a few clouds up our way, and it will be chilly tonight, maybe even cold. Low temperatures, yeah, back down into those mid-teens. For Thursday, partly cloudy skies. This low moves inland a little bit, so that'll clear our skies out a little. Chilly temperatures for Thursday, with highs once again consistently into those upper 20s. For your Friday, we will see high pressure beginning to nose in, and that'll bring a little bit of warmer southwesterly air our way. We will warm up, quotation marks, if you can call it that, into the low 30s for Friday afternoon. The good news, we're going to see some sun. For Saturday, mostly cloudy skies. There is an area of low pressure pushing into western Montana. We'll see some wraparound clouds and maybe even some isolated snow showers on Saturday. Highs again better, but still below normal in the low 30s. Ending our weekend on Sunday, little ridge of high pressure up and over the Pacific Northwest. That'll keep our weather pretty stable on Sunday, partly cloudy. High temperatures again into the low 30s, which will be about 6 degrees below where we should be. Kicking off our next work week, another area of low pressure begins to push on shore. That'll bring clouds and some isolated snow showers to us, mainly Monday afternoon. We're going to begin another cool down too, with highs Monday near 30 degrees. And then for your Tuesday, sunny skies. The bad news about that, it's going to be cooler. We're going to see a northerly flow coming down from British Columbia, and that'll cool our afternoon highs on Tuesday only into the mid and upper 20s. All right, your 7-day forecast, 14 overnight tonight, partly cloudy Thursday, mostly sunny on Friday. We'll warm up a little bit to 32 as we get into Friday. We'll stay in the low 30s Saturday and Sunday for our weekend, with a mix of clouds and sun, and then maybe some isolated snow showers and cooler on Monday with 29 our high. And for Tuesday, lots of sunshine, but chilly. High temperatures Tuesday, 27 degrees. And that's a look at your North Central Washington weather forecast. Coming up next, tonight's sports report with Eric Granstrom and more as the NCWLIFE Evening News continues right after this.